I know you heard of a crab boil, but have you ever heard of chicken crab boil chicken wings? Stay with me. Stay with me. Watch me as I indulge. Lemon. Put it in there as well. Put it in the fridge. Chicken man been sitting in this brine for about 48 hours. So I know some people ain't got that much patience, but man, that's really where the flavor at. To be honest with you. Okay, so right here we're gonna make our butter. We use about maybe a cup and a half, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of cornstarch. About a teaspoon of chili powder. Teaspoon of turmeric. That gives it some color. Add a little bit of ginger. Not too much. A bit of onion powder. Paprika. This is one of the things that I use that people don't really know about, but I use a little bit of ground allspice. Not much. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Old Bay. Don't slap the mama, but we're gonna get this slap the mama right here. Just a little bit. And last but not least, we're gonna add some coarse black pepper. When you're done, you're just gonna whisk all this up. So we're gonna take the chicken, put it into this Ziploc bag that I have full of flour. it sit for about, I'm gonna do about 30 minutes. So you need a room temperature.